Hello, my name is Shay M, and the title of my video is how to get free household items in 2020. As you can see, all items are full size except the Joy. And I got all these items by choosing the Amazon gift card, which I am a Amazon Prime member. So the delivery was free. No crowds, no nothing, just right to my home for free. Before I tell you how I got these items, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more videos like this one. Like again, I'm saying I'm an Amazon Prime member. And like I said, I got these items for free. And how I started is I started doing one of the sites, which all links are listed below, is Pay Viewpoint. It's an invitation only survey, but you can go to, after you join, which join for free, and to do short surveys. And when you cash out, which the threshold is $15, always choose the Amazon gift cards so I could get items like this. All of these. The next one is Ibotta. It's a cash out on most things that you buy, and the threshold for Ibotta is $20. And when I cash out, I always choose the Amazon gift cards so I could get items like what you see here. The next one is Inbox Dollar, which you could join for free, watch videos, play games, do surveys. It's been out for a good while. The cash out is $30, but I always choose the Amazon gift cards so I could get items like these. Like again, I'm an Amazon Prime member, so it's free delivery to my door. That way you don't have to worry about any crowds or anything. It's come right to your door. The next one is Upside. It's a cash out for gas that you get for your automobiles, cash back. It's a real good site. I believe the cash out is $25, but I always choose the Amazon gift cards so I could get items like these. And the next site is called Coin Out, and it's you scan the receipts, mostly any receipt, and they give cash out on based on each receipt, and the threshold is $10. And you have the choice of how you want to cash out, and I always choose the Amazon gift cards so I could get items like these for free. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I can bring more videos about saving.